Hello, this is Westgate Property Management. I am outside of 412.5 Mountain View Avenue in West Petaluma. I'm going to walk you through this one bedroom, one bath home in just a moment, but I want to give you a view of the surrounding neighborhood. This unit is located in southern Petaluma, and there is another home on the property, so a shared driveway situation. This unit has access to this backyard area, as well as that shed over to the left. It has a nice front porch. The owner will be doing a little work on the outside with some painting. So you come into the living room area, and it opens to the kitchen. I'm going to shut the door so that you can tell that it's really quiet back here. This is a really special unit. Nice bay window, updated kitchen, new appliances, new countertops, a really nice big deep sink, an electric oven with microwave over. Washer and dryer are located in this little area, which is really nice because they're full size. Refrigerator. Nice island area. It's a really nice open floor plan here. It's fantastic. And the bedroom, really nice size. There's a closet as well as these built-in cabinets for storage. And then the bathroom. It's a tub with shower, nice long vanity. So again, this is 412.5 Mountain View in Petaluma. Thank you so much for watching.